Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable notification for Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface for Steam, and I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to disable the notification. At the top left, you can see the Steam button right here. Click on it right now. And guys, as such, this thing will open up. Likewise, simply click on settings. Now guys, this is it. This is the settings page. From here, you can edit multiple options ranging from account to simply music. But right now, all we want to do is focus on this thing called as notification. Click on it, and guys, that's it. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on this drop down right here and go to never. That's it. That's the first thing that you do. Another thing that you do is simply toggle off this button. Likewise, simply scroll down and turn off all of these buttons. As you can see, I am doing it right now. And guys, that is it. That's how we completely turn off notification for Steam. That's the gist of it, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.